How to set up double opt-in System IO. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. So this is going to be a very simple tutorial on how to set up the double opt-in option in System IO. This is going to be very helpful because if you are getting a lot of spams when it comes to subscription, like a lot of people are subscribing, but they're not really the leads that you're looking for. They're not really interested. They're bots, whatever it may be. And you want to set up double opt-in. This is just going to ensure that the people who are actually subscribing are genuine people who actually are like caring about what you have to offer. So let's just go ahead and show you exactly how to set up this double opt-in. First, you will need to go ahead to your funnel and find the place where you want to set it up. Obviously, you would want to have the normal opt-in, which is the single opt-in, which is the email, and then you have the subscription button and so on. And this should specify that it is the button to submit a form. Now, this is obviously just a test button. It's not really my thing, but yeah. Anyways, what we need to do is just go ahead and find the button and the form that people would fill in to, generally speaking, get to the opt-in option. That was a mouthful, but anyway. And once you find the button, you would want to just go ahead and click on it. And then you will find the action when button clicked is submit form. You would want to keep that. But what would we basically want to turn on this option here? Do you want to enable double opt-in on this form? You want to basically go ahead and check that. So once this is checked, you just basically go ahead and save changes. And we have enabled the double opt-in for this button. Now, how do you actually customize how it's actually going to look like when the email for the double opt-in? You can actually customize this outside of this area. We can just go back to System IO, and we basically want to access the settings. Once you click on settings from this panel here, you want to click on emails. So just go ahead and go to the emails settings. From here, you would want to just go ahead and scroll down. You would want to obviously have your sender name and so on. And then we are going to find this double opt-in. So just make sure you find this and click on edit confirmation email. Click on that, and then you are going to basically be able to edit the actual email. You will find this as default. To confirm your subscription, click the following link, and you at least need this link to be available. If you want to rephrase this, you can feel free to do so. If you want to actually go ahead and delete this entire thing, you can do so, but then just make sure you add this back. So just go ahead and copy this so that it is added again. This way the link is going to be available for them, but you can also make it even more personalized if you want by using any of these. So if you want to address them by their first name, you can just go ahead and copy this right here and add it to your email, and same goes for surname, country, city, and so on. These are all variables that you can use to customize your email, and once you're happy with it, you can just go ahead and save. And this is pretty much how to set up your double opt-in for your System IO. It's actually that simple. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.